Well, let's talk about a topic in Laravel which is, in my opinion, very overlooked, which is full text indexes. Now, full text indexes are useful when you need to efficiently search for words or phrases in a text column. They can be especially helpful in applications that involve searching through large amounts of text, such as a blog or maybe a search engine. You might wonder, well, Dary, don't we have MySQL search functionalities for that? Yes, we do. But full text indexes in Laravel's Query Builder provide a more efficient way to search for words or phrases in a text column compared to MySQL's standard search functionality. It is specifically designed for searching through large amounts of text and they're optimized for performance. They also provide more advanced search functionality such as searching for multiple words or phrases and relevance ranking, where the MySQL standard search functionality is less efficient when searching through large amounts of text and does not provide the same advanced search functionalities as full text indexes. Now that was enough talking. Now let's get into an example. Step number 1 is making sure that we use a column that is eligible for full text index search. In Laravel, there is a total of 7 full text indexes, which I will show on the screen right now. What we need to do is modifying the post migration. So let's navigate to the CLI and let's create a new migration to the PHP artisan make migration command. And let's name it set_description_2_text_on_post_table. And then we're going to add a flag of that dash table is equal to posts. Whoops, I added an extra dash. Alright, let's navigate back to PHP Storm. Let's open our newly created migration, where we should make sure that we change the data type of our description column to text and add a full text method to it. So let's say table object, the data type is text, the column name is description. We're going to chain the change method to it to tell our migration that we want to change the data type. And we want to chain the full text method to it. If we then navigate back to iter and run the PHP artisan migrate command, you will see that our migration has been migrated. Now if we navigate back to our controller, let's open it. Alright, and let's get rid of the query that we have. We could use 2 methods to implement the full text functionality. We have the whereFullText and whereFullText methods, which both can be used to add full text where clauses to the query for columns that have full text indexes. Both methods will be transformed into an appropriate SQL for the underlying database system by Laravel. So let's start off by chaining the whereFullText method first, and let's also chain the get method to it. The whereFullText method accepts 2 arguments. The first argument is the column where full text indexes have been enabled on, which will be description, while the second variable is the text that you want to search through. Since we have lorem ipsum, I quickly need to open my post table. Now let's say that we want to search for a word of QE. If we then open our post controller, add a second argument of the value QE. Behind the scenes, I have just refreshed my browser, where you can see that 6 new rows have been returned, where the word QE has been found in the column description. So let's check that. We have a description where we see the word QE here, right here. We have a second column where we have QE as well. Quick note, it is not case sensitive. In the second row, we have QE with a capital, while in the first row, QE has no capital. Alternatively, we could chain the or where full text method to it as well, which works in the same way as the or where method, but we're basically going to check for 2 words. So let's open the post table once again, and let's say that we want to search for ename. So we're going to search on the column description on the value of ename. You will see that 8 rows have been retrieved. Now let's quickly add an array above our statement of show queries, where I've just refreshed the browser. And the reason why is just to see the query. So we're going to select everything from the post table where a match needs to be found on the description column against the word QE in natural language mode. Or, so basically a second match needs to be found in the description column against the word ename, also in natural language mode. Quick summary, the full text indexes is fun to use in Laravel's Query Builder for efficient searching of words or phrases in a text column, but they're mainly designed for searching through large amounts of data sets, because it's way better optimized than using a MySQL search.